The raptor's on the ground.
Oh.
This is gonna be crazy.
Run at her.
I missed. God answer. I don't know what you're doing. Ow! That really hurts you.
I was right.
It'd be really cool.
Sticks and stones may break your bones.
If we got a picture of just me like standing there, like completely like, and then you're in the air like jumping at me like a raptor. Hey, try
just like
work.
that?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump like out here before the dirt.
Okay.
You gotta get in front of him.
Behind?
So you see his face. You want to see my face? That's behind. This side.
This first.
Like a little bit over.
Okay, this one first.
Jump.
Aw, how cute. Oops.
I'm gonna be a raptor and jump.
He dropped her. It's not a good thing, right?
You ready?
Ready.
You know, it'd be awesome if like you get the picture where you like right here about to hit me. Okay. Then we'd have to try it numerous times and hit me every time. Take it from right here.
Right there. Lost my sister. Get my sister. Here, sister. Oh gosh. Ah!
Did you get that? Yeah, let's throw bocce ball time. Make it funny.
There's one in my hood. There's one in my hood. Ah! It's like love is a battlefield.
I thought that was a big. That was the funniest.
Why is my sister standing in the dirt field?
That was the funniest whoa ever, Chad. You're like, whoa!
She's looking at the sunset.
Echo! Echo!
Really pretty.
Echo!
Are you videotaping again?
Gecko?
Do I need to break this?
Gecko?
Echo Bravo 9.
Gecko!
Overleader. Overleader. Echo Bravo.
Oh gosh, did you just kiss him? You boys kiss! You boys kiss! John kissed Steve. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes
No babies with
Travis in a baby carriage! Woo!
Let's continue the raptor thing.
The rapture thing? Hey.
I really...
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Really close.
Hi.
Kind of awkward.
Hi.
Really scary.
Hi.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hi.
Goodbye.